It's no secret that SoFi is the best one-stop financial solution, at least in my opinion. So today I want to go through every single financial account and product that SoFi currently offers to show you why I feel that that opinion is true. All right, let's jump right into it. What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So obviously we have a lot to cover in today's video. So if you do want an in-depth look at any of the products that we're going to talk about, then I will link to some of the many reviews that I have done down below the like button. And I'll also leave links where you can sign up and learn more about these products, and in many cases get some free cash, which we always love. So right out of the gate, we have the core feature of SoFi, which is their new checking and savings accounts. Previously, this was referred to as SoFi Money, but just a few months ago, SoFi received their national banking charter, which came with a ton of additional benefits for their users, including a true and separate checking and savings account. This product has no account fees, lets you get paid up to 2 days early using direct deposit, up to 15% cash back at select locations, automated roundup savings tools, and their Vault savings feature, no fee overdraft coverage, and one of the best interest rates on a bank account that I am currently aware of at 1.8%. Plus, the Federal Reserve just raised interest rates an additional 0.75%, which means rates could continue to rise going forward. The banking tab within the SoFi app allows you to check your balances, easily transfer money, pay your bills, set up savings vaults, and in general is just one of the best designed mobile banking apps in my opinion. Obviously, the checking and savings account comes with a SoFi debit card, but I actually never use that product because of the next SoFi product that SoFi offers that we'll look at, which is the new SoFi Credit Card. This is new compared to some of their older products, but in reality, it's been out for well over a year and offers a flat 2% cashback across the board on all of your purchases, making it one of the best flat cashback options on the market. Plus, right now, you'll earn 3% cashback for your first year of having this card when you redeem it towards paying down eligible debts, deposit it into your savings account, put it towards investing, plus you'll get an additional $300 cash bonus as a thank you, and considering this card has no annual fee, that makes it one of the best sign-up offers currently available. Again, the credit card tab can be accessed within the exact same app as your checking and savings account, where you can view your available credits, your current balance, pay off your card in full, of course, manage your points and rewards, and of course, redeem them in a number of different ways, which is really what makes this product truly unique. Like I said, you're able to use your cash back towards eligible SoFi loans, have it direct deposited right into your checking or savings accounts, invest it with SoFi Invest, which we'll talk about next, and even invest it in cryptocurrencies and a number of additional redemption options as well. Speaking of SoFi Invest, this is obviously their all-in-one investing platform that SoFi continues to add new and improved features to. And while I was definitely a little bit skeptical when I first started using it a few years ago, with the new additions that they have added over the past few years, this is a much more robust investing tool nowadays and can absolutely compete with the likes of Robinhood and M1 Finance. Now, to be clear, it is definitely not going to give you nearly as much analytical information as those other platforms, but if you are already a user of the SoFi platform and you're looking to just get started with your investing journey, then SoFi Invest is going to offer you like 90% of what you need to get started. Obviously, they're going to have your standard active investing account where you can open a regular individual account, a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, and several other account options. And within that account, you can purchase individual stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and even invest in initial public offerings or IPOs. But beyond that standard active investing account, they also have their own robo-advising automated investing tool that I absolutely love, where you can again open a number of different account options, but in this case, you'll answer a few different questions about your investing goals and your risk adversity, and SoFi is going to automatically create a diversified portfolio for you and will automatically rebalance your investments to make sure that you are staying on track with those investing goals. You all know that I am a huge fan of automated investing, and while SoFi's robo-advisor is not the platform that I personally use right now, again, if you want to have everything under one platform, then I do love the fact that they give you a choice of using an automated investing service instead. Plus, with with all of these account options, they offer fractional shares, allowing you to get started with just a few dollars. And of course, all of this is completely free. There's no commissions, no trading fees, or minimum investment requirements. So you can literally get started with a robust investing portfolio for completely free today. As I mentioned earlier, SoFi also has their own crypto investing as part of SoFi Invest. And while it is fairly limited in terms of the cryptos that you can invest in, they are constantly adding new asset types. And right now you can trade things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and 26 of the most popular cryptocurrencies currently on the market. Plus, back on the standard investing side of things, they also have their own ETFs for specific asset classes to help you build that diversified portfolio at a lower management fee. Now, we are just scratching the surface on this one, but moving on from there, we also have my favorite feature from SoFi, and that would be the SoFi Relay platform, which is their free integrated budgeting tool that works so well with not only your other SoFi accounts, but any and all third-party financial accounts as well. Again, this is all accessed from the exact same SoFi app, and within SoFi Relay, you can monitor your credit score, track your spending by time period or by spending category, set financial goals for yourself, and in general, track your financial progress towards those goals. Now, this isn't going to be the best platform in my opinion if you are looking for an in-depth, dedicated budgeting tool. However, if you're just looking to get a brief understanding of how much you're earning and how much you're spending and where that money is going based on the category, then SoFi Relay really gives you more than enough information. And again, seeing that it is completely free and automatically integrates with your other accounts, you really have nothing to lose. And again, you are able to link third-party bank accounts, investing accounts, and even credit cards and other debts and liabilities, giving you an accurate and real-time representation of all of your assets, liabilities, and therefore your net worth. So those are the 4 core features of SoFi that I have personally used for a number of years now, and largely the reason why I feel this is such a well-rounded platform. But of course, we have to talk about the product offering that really put SoFi on the map, and that of course is their lending services. Now, more specifically, SoFi started as a student loan refinancing service, and while the other products that we just talked about have certainly surpassed that in terms of their business model, SoFi continues to expand their lending services and now offers student loan refinancing, a number of different personal loans, mortgage options, private student loans for undergraduate, graduate, and specific educational programs. And really the only kind of lending service that they do not currently offer for some reason is auto loans. But otherwise, they probably have a lending option for you. Again, I have never personally used their lending services. However, I did apply for a mortgage through the SoFi app, and while I ultimately decided to go with a different option, the process was super easy. Again, I applied right from my phone in a matter of minutes, and since they already had a lot of my other financial information, including my income and my spending and other expenses, they were quickly able to approve me for that mortgage, which ultimately helped me show proof of funds and helped me get the house that I recently bought. In my opinion, you want to try to avoid a majority of these lending services, not only because of the interest rates and how they are going through the roof right now, but I just believe that you want to avoid debt as much as possible. But if you're looking for a competitive rate on your mortgage, or maybe looking to refinance your student loans, then this is definitely something worth checking out. So that's a majority of what SoFi themselves has to offer currently. However, they have made a number of strategic partnerships over the years that have allowed them to expand their financial services even further. For example, they offer SoFi Protect, which is their network of strategic insurance partnerships, allowing them to offer auto insurance, life insurance, homeowners insurance, and renters insurance. Again, SoFi themselves are not the ones holding that insurance policy, but they are partnered with really reputable companies like Lemonade, Experian, and Ladder in order to offer competitive rates for those different types of insurance that you may need, and they have integrated that application and payment process within the already well-designed SoFi app. And beyond those tangible account options and products that SoFi offers, the full list of member benefits is extensive, and they offer things like free financial planning, estate planning discounts, personalized career advice, an unemployment protection program, and the list goes on. So needless to say, SoFi has pretty much everything you could possibly need in terms of your financial wellness, and while there certainly are a few gaps in their product offerings, in the several years that I have been a member with SoFi, they have greatly improved SoFi Invest, invest. They added their checking and savings accounts, added the SoFi Credit Card, and they have continued to partner with new companies that have allowed them to expand their financial services. I understandably get pinned as a SoFi fanboy, which is totally fair. But again, the reason that I talk about this company so much is because of the hundreds of different financial tools and products that I have used and reviewed over the years. SoFi is the one that I still use as my main banking platform, one of the few credit cards that I carry with me every single day, and one of the very few investing platforms that I actively use, and in general, just a financial app that I am accessing day in and day out from my phone. But as always, that is just my opinion. So I would love to know what you think of the SoFi product down in the comment section below, and what new features and product offerings you would like to see them add going forward. Again, be sure to check out the various reviews that I have done on these different products if you want a more in-depth look at any of them, as well as the links down below where you can learn more and sign up, and also get some free cash from many of them, which we always love. As always, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.